everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to design a fully responsive manage user page for an admin panel using HTML, Tailwind CSS and JavaScript. And also we are going to program the user blocking system using PHP and Ajax. So by the end of this video, you will be able to block and unblock users instantly without reloading the page. Let's jump into it. Part 1. Backend fetch users. Okay, first let's look at how we get user from the database. We start with session checking. This is super important. We make sure only logged in admins can access this page. If not, we redirect them to the login page. Then we connect to the database. Now let's the main query. We are selecting all users and also joining account types like seller or buyer. We use group contact to combine multiple roles into a single field. So instead of getting multiple rows, we get rows like seller, buyer in one row. Finally, we order used by latest registered. So newest users appear at the top. Part 2. Layout design. Now let's move the UI part. We use Tailwind CSS to build a clean admin panel layout. On the left side, we have a sidebar, dashboard, users, products, all that. On the right side, we have the main content area. At the top, we add a search input. This is filtering users in real time. And below that, we create a table to display all users. Each row shows user name and email, roles, join date, status and action button. Part 3. Dynamic user data. Now inside the table we loop through user using PHP. For each user we show the first letter and an avatar, then full name and email. For roles we split the roles using explode and loop through them. We also style roles differently, like seller get a different color. Then we show we join date in a clean format. And next we display the user status, active or inactive, with green or red colors. Part 4. Block unblock button. Now this is the important part, the action button. If the user is active, we show a block button. If the user is inactive, we show an unblock button. So the UI already reflects the current status dynamically. Each button has unique ID, so we can target it later with JavaScript. Part 5. Search filter. Next we add a simple search feature. When the admin type in the search box, we run a function. We loop through all rows and check if the name or email matches the search text. If it matches, we show the row. If not, we hide it. So this is a real-time filter without reloading everything. Part 6. Toggle user status. Alright, now the main feature, blocking user. When the button is clicked, we call toggle user status. Inside that, we create a form data object and send the user ID to the backend using fetch API. So this is an Ajax request, no page reload. Part 7. Handle response. Now once we get the response, if success is true, we update the status text, change color dynamically and also change the button text and style. So ideally, block becomes unblock and unblock becomes block. Everything update live, super smooth UX. Part 8. Backend toggle logic. Now let's check the backend file. First, we get the user ID from post. Then we fetch the current status from the database. If user not found, we return an error. Then we toggle the user status. If active, make it inactive, and if inactive, make it active. After that, we update the database. Finally, we return a JSON response with success and the new status. So guys, that's how you build a responsive admin user management page and implement a real-time real-time block and unblock system. If you found this helpful, don't forget like, subscribe and hit the bell for more web development tutorial from DV Codex. See you in the next video.